Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Bloomsburg University Banner Account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Bloomsburg University, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Bloomsburg University Banner Login. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says login required. And after tapping on login required, you can tap on login, and then it will take you to the login page where you have to enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, just tap on sign on, and after tapping on sign on, you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can create a new password. After creating that new password, come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering that password, just tap on sign on, and after tapping on sign on, you will successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Bloomsburg University Banner account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.